Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are talking about my new hair. This is the African Collection Xpression Island Curl hair in 14 inches. Here's what the pack looks like. I actually stumbled upon this hair at a beauty supply store in my area and they had a deal buy two get one free. So that was perfect. I actually purchased four. I got two free. And I really like this hair. I really like it. It actually reminds me of the Lulu Tress water wave, the one that I wasn't really fond of, but this curl layers so much better and it's a little bit softer. Now, I am kind of under the impression that over time, this will be a high maintenance hair. I feel like I'm going to have to do more to it than I have with other types of hair, but I'm willing to give it a try for a couple of weeks at least. I really want to see how this hair works out. Let me show you what a piece looks like. Out of the pack, here's what one piece looks like. I like that this top part is kind of twisted together to show you exactly where to put the loop. And it is 14 inches long, so it's a relatively long curl. I really didn't layer that much, but what I did do when I put the hair in was kind of run my fingernail through just to get it a little more frayed and not so perfect. That way I didn't have to use so much hair. I ended up using about 3.5 packs. I have about a half pack left over from another pack. So I definitely have hair left over if in the next few days I feel like maybe it's starting to flatten a little bit or I have to take some pieces out. I have some little jewels on my fingernails that when I was putting my hair in, it kept snagging. So I feel like that's probably going to happen more than just the one time. So I'm glad I have a bunch of extra hair. But for the install, I only used 3.5 packs. It is $6.49 a pack at my beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you can find it online for like $5. But again, here's what the package looks like. And the color that I have is the color 2. I just got a bunch of packs of number 2. So what I'm going to do is come back a little bit later after I've worn the hair a little bit more and just give you an update and let you know about the maintenance that I've had to put in, any products that I've used, and how I feel about the hair. So headed out to a party. I'll be back soon. Okay guys, this is day 3 of the hair and I want to say I'm sorry in advance because there are some guys working on the roof, on one of the roofs outside, and you may hear banging, but let's get to this. I'm really enjoying this hair so far. I wore it out to my cousin's party the other night and it was super fun. I did sweat a little bit, but that didn't really affect the hair. And then when I was leaving the party, I got rained on, so it made it a little fuzzy, but nothing too bad so far. I have not put any mousse in it yet. It does have a little bit of webbing, but not so bad right now. I just put it in a bonnet. That's all I do. I saw that some people put their hair in a pineapple, which is like you put it all up and wrap it, but I'm not interested in doing that. That just seems like a lot of work. Maybe in the next few days, if it happens to web up too much, I might try it, but right now, just putting it all up under the bonnet, it has been okay. Now, there is a little bit, like on my bonnet, it has been pulling my hair in the back a little bit. So it just pulls out a little bit underneath here, and I'm not really sure why because there's nothing in my bonnet that should be doing that, and this is one that I wear all the time. So maybe this hair is just more easily snagged than other hair, but it's still soft, it's still cute, it's still manageable, and I'm hoping that I can wear this hair for at least 3 weeks. It looks like right now I need to pull some pieces apart and fluff it a little bit more, but I'm really happy with this hair so far. It has not been high maintenance hair yet, but again, it's only been 3 days. So I'll come back in a few more days and you can see what's popping. And my love, so this is day 8 of the hair. And I have had to give this hair a lot of love. I've had to, just separate it, put my curl mousse on it. I will show you the curl mousse as well. I definitely trimmed it, as you can see, but I had to trim it because it was just getting too clumped up and matted, and it didn't necessarily look matted until I would like raise it up and you could see how it was stuck together and clumped. I will show you the pictures of the first time I trimmed the hair and how much I trimmed off, and that was mainly just like from the strands. The second time was length and from the strands. This hair is the kid that needs a lot of love, okay? This hair really does take like getting up an extra 10 minutes early in the morning to separate the hair, put the mousse on it. I'll be right back and I'm gonna show you the mousse that I've been using. The mousse that I have is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I got this from the beauty supply store and I think it was $6.99 there, so you could probably get it cheaper at Walmart. But I love the smell of it. It smells so good in my hair, and it does help me separate the curls. As you can see, some's looking a little bit fuzzy, but I think I can last at least another week. I'm not going to cut the length anymore because I like it laying right here. It's super, super cute. It is a really cute hair, but this hair probably is the most high maintenance hair that I've ever had. Honestly, started off super duper cute, started to look a little unfortunate, so I had to start really showing it love. And I'm doing all this within the first week of the video. Of the hair. Doing, I did my hair last Saturday, and now it's Sunday, so it's been 8 days. It's been a lot of work, but it's really cute hair. I'm not doing my hair this weekend. I'm not going to take this hair down and redo it. So I will be leaving it in for another week. So I'm going to come back in a few days. I don't know if it'll be 10 days or just like day 14. I'm not real sure. But at any rate, I will be back. Here's what it looks like. I have a bunch of hair left over. And my thinking was I would take out like the top third and put some new hair in. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to leave this in for as long as I can. And as long as I take care of it, I feel like I might lose a little bit of the curl, but it's still at least like a wave. It's not straight and it's not too puffy, but I've also been getting rained on a lot. It's just moist here in Texas, so it's hard not to get your hair wet at all, but here's where I am. And I feel like it still looks a little cute. I'm cute, right? It's a cute cut. So I'm headed out to work, and I'll see you soon. So it's day 12. Here's my hair. I have been like trimming the ends and stuff, but it tangles so much. It tangles so much. I want to love this hair so much. But I will be taking it out Saturday. I will be taking it out on day 14. It still has some of the curl pattern. The lighting is not that great in here, but I'm just so sick of it. I gotta trim some more. I'm sick of it. I'm tired of this hair. It is high maintenance. It's irritating. Every morning it takes like 20 minutes to get all of the webbing out and mousse it. And I've been doing that for the past like 5 days or 4 days now. That's it. I wish I had something better to say about this hair, but started off great. It started off fabulous, but maybe because it's so rainy here right now, or I don't know, but just sorry. I don't have anything else to say, but thanks for watching this. Let me know if you try this hair. That's it.